Discover the true power of artificial intelligence. For security. For brilliant photos. Anytime you want. For beautiful videos. For fun. And games. For when you travel. For all the applications still to be imagined. MediaTek Helio P90 is an AI powerhouse. Built with MediaTek's most incredible AI engine to date. It brings intelligent experiences to your smartphone through everything you do. Giving you the most advanced apps and experiences available today. Find out what the MediaTek Helio P90 can do in your smartphone. Is for gaming. Meet MediaTek Helio G90T, our first G-series chipset, designed to be the core of an incredible smartphone gaming experience. It combines AI, massive memory, and powerful performance to deliver fast, fluid gaming action to your smartphone. Paired with MediaTek's Hyper-Engine game technology, G90T tunes your entire smartphone to be a gaming powerhouse. MediaTek Hyper-Engine technology delivers eye-popping image quality, fluid character movement for the smoothest moves in any online world, and the fastest, most reliable connections to the network. Automatically connect to 2 Wi-Fi bands or 2 routers simultaneously for an ultra-reliable connection. And stay in the game even during incoming calls for an uninterrupted adventure. Experience the most vivid colors and images, a super fast and responsive display, and reduced lag for smoother gameplay, because every millisecond counts in the game world. The MediaTek G-series blend of accelerated hardware and software ensures your gameplay is next level. Whether your go-to is Fortnite, PUBG, or KOG, you can now enjoy more gaming power and the ultimate smartphone gaming experience, making MediaTek Helio G90T the ultimate champion of mobile gaming.